Perched atop a hill in Chatham, New York, with lovely views of rolling hills and the Catskill Mountains in the distance, this quintessential country property boasts 11.5 acres, with open fields, a pond, and a beautiful forest. Hello, I'm Patrick Lilly, and welcome to the Thomas House, an 1825 Federal Colonial home. The center hall entry leads to a sunny formal living room, a generous dining room, and a glorious family room and kitchen combo with 3 sunny exposures overlooking a pool, featuring a large butcher block island and new appliances. Gorgeous original details throughout the house include 5 fireplaces, wide board plank floors, and classic 12/12 windows. Upstairs are 4 bedrooms and 2 large bathrooms which flank the center hall. The gracious corner primary bedroom is ensuite with a spacious bath. Additionally, there's a 1-bedroom in-law suite with a sitting room, den, kitchen, and bath. You'll enjoy entertaining outdoors from the screened-in porch, lying by the pool while getting a drink from the pool house, playing a few sets of tennis, or simply taking in the views and watching the clouds go by. The Thomas House is just 3 minutes from Chatham Village, 20 from Hudson, and 2.5 hours from New York City. So if you're looking for a classic, idyllic retreat in the Hudson Valley, this might just be the home for you.